In today's video, we're going to take a look at the best easy coffee maker in the market right now. I made this list of 7 best easy coffee maker based on my own experience. Number 7. Mr. Coffee Easy Coffee Maker. This drip coffee maker's thermal carafe keeps reviewers' coffee hot all morning long. Another writes, the thermal carafe seals tightly to hold in the heat and does a great job of keeping the coffee hot for at least 2 hours without the need of a hot plate, which can lead to bitter tasting coffee. Key feature: 12 cup capacity, reusable filter, 2 filtration system, auto shut-off. Number 6. OXO Brew Easy Coffee Maker. It can brew 2 to 9 cups at the touch of a button. And, with its fancy rainmaker shower head, the ideal temperature water is poured over your coffee grounds to create a full flavor brew. Programmable and user-friendly, this machine uses a single dial for programming both the number of cups and the 24-hour timer. Key feature: high quality, user-friendly, ideal temperature, double-walled carafe. Number 5. DCBCM 550 BK Easy Coffee Maker. This new updated version is the world's first rapid cold brew system. Our patent-pending cold boil technology makes delicious cold brew in just 5 minutes. Just fill the coffee container with grounds and the carafe with water, turn the dial, and the rapid cold brew system takes care of the rest. Key feature: long-lasting, reusable filter, simple design, practical and efficient. Number 4. Hamilton Beach 46381 Easy Coffee Maker. It is capable of making a single-serve cup or a full 12-cup carafe. And, for the single-serve option, you can choose to use either coffee grounds in the mesh filter brew basket, or you can quickly drop in a K-cup and let the coffee maker do its thing. The Hamilton Beach 2-way is also 24 hours usable. Key feature: great for a single cup, practical and efficient, 12-cup capacity, mesh filter. Number 3. Cold Brew Easy Coffee Maker. The cold brew process involves steeping coarsely ground coffee in cold water for 24 hours. It's a much slower brewing process than traditional hot brewing methods that produce coffee that tastes smoother, richer, and less bitter. The cold brew coffee maker's extra-large, super durable borosilicate glass carafe. Key feature: heavy-duty, dishwasher safe, 1,300 milliliters capacity, reusable mesh filter. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Easy Coffee Maker. The Hamilton Beach Front Fill 12-cup programmable coffee maker is easy to fill from the front, with a front fill water reservoir and swing-open brew basket for coffee grounds. Plus, with an automatic cleaning cycle reminder, you can ensure your machine is brewing the best-tasting coffee. With its compact design, this coffee maker takes up less space. Key feature: automatic pause system, easy to keep, high durable, 12-cup capacity. Number 1. Veken French Press Easy Coffee Maker. Veken is dedicated to bringing our customers premium, high-quality, and functional household products, fun toys, pet supplies, and travel accessories at reasonable prices. Our vision is to continuously innovate and improve our products based on customer needs, as well as current industry trends. Key feature: durable, heat-resistant, easy to clean, borosilicate glass. If you want to buy any of them, please check the link below on the description and get the price and more information. And that's all for now. If you found our list useful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe for more amazing product reviews and buying guides.